What's up guys, welcome to my channel again. Here's my new tutorial today, how to work faster in Photoshop and shortcuts, and you're going to learn some more amazing techniques in this tutorial. So we are going to wrap up things quickly, so it will not be a longer video. So we are going to make it a small video and make it quick. So first of all, most people what do if they need to open an image, open a file, they go to file and go to open. So it is a longer procedure. Just double click on this and you will get the image. Okay, here we go. So next step is how to unlock the layer faster. So what we're going to do, hold Alt and click on this and you will get your layer icon unlocked. Next step, image canvas. So most people do that, Control T to get their image canvas rotate. So it is not a good idea, but the best thing is like press R, hold Alt and press left click and make your image rotate like anywhere you want. Okay, and like if I do this and then I take brush and paint it like this if I need anywhere. And how to make it a reset, just press R again and reset view. Here we go, we got our image back. Okay, so next step what we are going to do is zoom in, zoom out. So what people must do, that we got the tool here, press Z to get the magnifying glass and click on it to get in zoom, and press Alt, hold Alt and click on it to get it minimized. But the to work fast, you can do Control plus to get zoom in and Control minus to get minimized. Okay, if you get too minimize, so what to do, that Control 0 to fit the actual pixel, and if you get to zoom in, if you get it zoom in, so what we are going to do, this Control plus 0 to get on the fit screen. Okay, so the next step is brush. Okay, press B to get the brush. So what people do, to if they need a bigger brush, so they right click on it and make the size bigger, so if they will get the bigger brush. But what we are going to do, because we need to work faster, so just press the right bracket and you will get the bigger brush. And if you need the smaller brush, bigger brush. Okay, here we got the bigger brush. And if you need the smaller brush, you can press a left bracket to make it smaller. Here we go. Okay, we got the smaller brush. If you need the softer brush, what we're going to do, just press Shift plus left bracket, and here we have the softer brush. But if you need a harder brush, so what we're going to do, just press Shift and press the right bracket, and here we have the harder brush. Okay, so the next thing is the main and the unique thing. Some people think that only in Adobe Illustrator you can undo multiple times. Okay, but in Photoshop you can undo multiple times too. But how? Here I'm telling you that if I brush it here and here, if we do only Control plus Z, so it will do undo only one time. Okay, but wait a second, but if we do Control plus Alt plus Z and again plus Z and again, so it will undo multiple times. Here's the best thing you need to know right now. Okay, you can undo multiple times, just Control plus Alt plus Z, so you can undo multiple times. Okay, so the next thing is Eyedropper Tool. Eyedropper Tool, what is the Eyedropper Tool? Press I to get the Eyedropper Tool. You can pick the color anywhere you want, but you can pick the color from outside the box too. what I do mean by outside the box is that outside the Photoshop. Yes, that's the main thing. Okay, so here we have the Photoshop, and here we have the Pixels website here. So if we need that orange color, you can see it, and we go to Photoshop. Just go to Photoshop, pick the eyedropper tool and hold the left click and drag it down to Photoshop. Drag it down outside from the Photoshop, and if I select this yellow or orange and just release the left click and go on to Photoshop, make it bigger, here we got the orange color. Okay, so that's the great thing also. Okay, so the next thing, if you need to duplicate the layer, what we're going to do, what some people do, that they right click on the layer and duplicate it, so and press OK. So it's a longer procedure. Just what to do, just Control plus J to duplicate it, and if you want more, just Control plus J, and you get the more files here. But and one thing more, if you need that upper layer to make to bring it on the middle, so most people do that, they drag the layer in the middle. But what we are going to do, just Control plus left bracket to make it below, and again and again. Okay, so it will make it below. And if you need to make it above, so Control plus right bracket to make upper. Okay, so the next thing, if you most people do, if they need to select all the layers, what they do, they hold the control and left click on every layer. So this is not what we are going to do. If you need to work faster, what we are going to do is just click on the first layer and hold shift and click on the last layer, so it will select all the layer. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to tell you about is that if you are going to manipulate an image here, so what we're going to do, that most people do, so we are saying this, they open a photo, then okay, that's very slow internet. Okay, so what they do, that open an image, that right click, save image as, then open it in Photoshop. So it is a longer procedure, but but if you need to work faster, you can just right click on it, copy image, and go to Photoshop, just Control plus V to get the image. So here it is the last thing you need to know, and here are most amazing tips and techniques are going to be made in near future. So this is the things you need to know, basics, if you are a beginner, if you are on a beginner level. So if you like the video, so please like and subscribe my channel, and if you need more awesome stuff, and if you need the tutorials you need to watch, so you can tell me on comment box and I will make your videos on as per your request. Okay, maybe please with you. Thank you.